When a guy gets involved with a woman and suddenly finds himself being treated with contempt, everything changes. He then acts like an idiot, and that's precisely what ruins everything, preventing what really matters, the woman regretting her own actions. Instead of lamenting the loss of this guy or realizing what she's losing, she feels entitled to disdain him, glorifying her own arrogance. In today's video, get ready to uncover the 3 reasons that always make a woman regret treating you poorly and chase after you. When a man can't shake off a woman, you can be absolutely certain that he's destined to fail in the face of her contempt. Because at the end of the day, it's obvious to her that his desire for revenge isn't genuine. He just wants to grab attention, so she'll come running back into his arms as quickly as possible. So let's get into it. First off, you've liberated yourself. You're free now. When she realizes that her actions have nothing to do with you anymore, it's like a hurricane of rage takes over her. She goes crazy trying to regain the control she thought she had over you. She's used to being the center of your world, dominating you. She loves feeling like you orbit around her, that every step you take is to please her. But when you start acting for yourself, taking care of your own desires, and investing in your own accomplishments, she feels the blow. From the moment you no longer seek her approval, when your goals are exclusively yours, she feels lost. Without the comfort of your constant attention, she feels threatened. This bruises her ego, destroys the security she had in knowing that you were always there, available and submissive. Imagine the chaos this provokes. She, who thrived on your interest, now has to deal with indifference. You don't justify yourself. You don't beg. You don't worry about making her understand your point of view. You simply move forward with confidence. The change in dynamics is brutal. Suddenly, she's no longer the protagonist of your universe. She will try everything to reverse this situation, but this is where you stand firm. Stay focused on your projects. Hang out with your friends. Meet new people. Travel. Do what you always wanted without worrying about her opinion. Silence is the best weapon, and your absence will be felt devastatingly. Showing that you're capable of living fully without her is the hardest blow you can deliver. In the end, true freedom and self-sufficiency are what destabilize her the most. Let her see that you're better off, happier, and more fulfilled without her. This is the path to reclaiming your dignity, and ironically, it's what's most likely to make her realize the mistake she made in treating you with contempt. Second, free yourself from that toxic relationship. When a guy is fixated on just one woman, he humiliates himself, debases himself, and she only despises him even more. And while he's there, wasting time and energy, so many other women could be ready to give him what he deserves. He could find someone who truly respects him, instead of begging for attention from someone who only treats him with contempt. Contempt is the poison that kills respect in any relationship. When a woman starts treating you like that for no reason, it's the end. Unless you both sit down, talk, genuinely apologize, and try to rebuild, it's the end. If she doesn't want that, if she makes it clear she'll continue treating you poorly, then get out of there. And when you're healed, open your heart to new opportunities. Think about the possibilities you're missing out on while you're fixated on that woman who only treats you with contempt. There are countless people out there, each with their own qualities and ability to make you happy. Women who will treat you with the respect you deserve, who will appreciate you for who you are, not for what you can do for them. By freeing yourself from a toxic relationship, you make room for something new and better. You start realizing your own worth, taking better care of yourself, valuing yourself. This healing process is crucial for you to open up to new possibilities. And when you find someone who's truly worth it, someone who respects and values you, it not only does you good, but also sends a powerful message to the one who despised you. She lost a valuable man. Having a real relationship based on mutual respect and reciprocity is the ultimate proof that you've moved on. In addition to fortifying your mind against any future manipulation attempts, it will make her realize the huge mistake she made in despising you. She'll see that while she treated you poorly, you found someone who truly values you. And that's the best revenge, being happy and valued for who you are. Third, reconnecting with yourself. It's crucial after investing so much time and energy in someone who didn't reciprocate in the same way. Often during the relationship, we lose touch with our own desires, interests, and even our identity. This loss of connection with ourselves can lead to emotional dependence that prevents us from seeing life beyond the presence of the other person. It's important to understand that true strength lies in finding fulfillment within ourselves, regardless of another person's presence in our lives. Solitude can be an opportunity to rediscover our tastes, hobbies, and dormant dreams. It's a moment to take care of ourselves, nurture the soul, and find inner peace. Furthermore, it's essential to understand that revenge is not the answer. Seeking retaliation against someone who despises us only perpetuates a cycle of negativity and suffering. Instead, focusing on your own well-being is the best way to show your true strength and resilience. By distancing yourself from the desire for revenge, you demonstrate that you're above those petty attempts to hurt you. Allow yourself to feel all the emotions that arise during this period of reconnecting with yourself. Allow yourself to heal, grow, and evolve. When you're ready, and only when you're ready, open yourself up again to new experiences and relationships. Remember that your worth isn't tied to another person, but to your own ability to love and respect yourself. At the end of this video, I want to reinforce the importance of taking control of your love life. Don't let someone's contempt define your worth. By reconnecting with yourself, rebuilding your self-esteem, and moving forward with confidence, you'll be taking a significant step toward a more fulfilling and satisfying life. Always remember, you deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. Don't let past experiences prevent you from finding genuine happiness in future relationships. By putting yourself first and cultivating true self-love, you'll be building the foundation for a future filled with healthy and rewarding relationships. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope the advice shared here helps you conquer the love and happiness you deserve. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with those who may benefit from this guidance. Until next time,